plead guilty to this. So again, I was just going to ask for a brief adjournment. If that's okay with Ms. Wagner, if that's okay with Mr. Wright as well.
That's fine with me, Your Honor. And Mr. Bayonetto is the assigned prosecutor on this case. So if you want to contact him sometime after today, Matt.
Yes, thank you. I'll talk to him today about it. Sorry.
He's off today, just so you know, but he'll be back tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, I apologize. How far out did you want to look, Mr. Murphy?
Just quite frankly, I'd only need a week or two, obviously, with the holidays coming up. We understand if it takes longer than that, but I'll reach out to Mr. Bayonetto tomorrow when he's back at his office and see if we can get this figured out. So again, whatever fits the court schedule best is all I'm asking.
I can do December 27th.
Yes, Your Honor.
For December 27th at 8:15. Mr. Wright, you'll need to log back in on December 27th at 8:15 a.m. with all the same Zoom information that you used today.
Roger that, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Murphy, would you do a stipulation in order?
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Wright, you can go ahead and log out.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. I'll talk to you later tomorrow, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Glazier, are you ready to proceed with Mr. Robinson?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
And before I do that, Mr. Murphy, Mr. Hall is not logged in, just so you're aware.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll see if I can find him. He might be in custody in another jurisdiction, but I'll see if I can find him.
Okay. All right, we are on the record in file 23-21285-FH, 23-21567-FH, and 23-21568-FH. People versus Mitchell Lee Robinson. We are here today for pre-trials on all three of those files. We are proceeding today by video conference. First, let me have the attorneys place their appearance on the record, beginning with Ms. McClure.
E.B. McClure on behalf of the people.
John Glazier on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Glazier, where do we stand with Mr. Robinson's cases today?
Your Honor, we had adjourned this out because I had some investigative work done by our investigator, and we've sent those reports down to Mr. Robinson. And I need to talk with him longer than I could talk to him today. So I was going to ask to adjourn this out a little bit. And so I can either set up a private Zoom meeting with him where I have longer to talk with him, or I may go down here and see him in person, one of the two. I did want to check, Your Honor. I want to make sure he's got cash bond on both the files.
Give me 1 second to look those up. In the meantime, Ms. McClure, anything that we need to address from the people's side?
No, Judge.
Okay, his bond on the 21567 case is $5,000 cash or surety. And on 21568 file, it is again $5,000 cash or surety.
All right, yeah, we're all set. I just wanted to make sure he was getting credit.
And how much time do you need, Mr. Glazier?
I put a note in here. I probably can get this set up next week to either a long meeting with him by Zoom or go down and see him, one of the two. So I wouldn't go 2 weeks at the farthest.
Okay, we can do December 27th or January 3rd.
I think 12/27 might be better, Your Honor.
Okay. We'll set it for a pretrial on December 27th at 8:15 a.m. then.
All right.
Mr. Glazier, would you do stipend orders for those files?
Yeah, I can, Your Honor.
Okay.
I think that's all I have with you this morning.
Yep, that is all I had. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Dagger Magosi, any luck locating Mr. Tucker?
No, but as I said, this doesn't seem like a case where a person would not show up. We do have a resolution where if he just pays the restitution back, it'll be not only processed. So I don't know what the court wants to do.
Let me call it first. So we are on the record in file 23-21414-FH, People versus Lucas William McGraw Tucker. We are here today for a pretrial conference in this case. We are proceeding today by video conference. First, let me ask the attorneys to place their appearance on the record, beginning with Ms. McClure.
B.B. McClure on behalf of the people.
Or Michael Dagger Margosian for Mr. Tucker.
All right, and record should reflect this was set for a pretrial conference this morning at 8:15 a.m. It's now 9:27 a.m. Mr. Tucker is not logged into the Zoom session and he is not present here in the courtroom. Mr. Dagger Margosian, anything you want to address with respect to that issue?
Your Honor, Mr. Tucker has been to his court appearances. I think this is the first time that I haven't seen him for a scheduled appearance. I did try to reach out to him, but I haven't heard anything back. And as I indicated before the case was called, there is a favorable resolution, and he's aware of that. So I guess what I would be asking, if the court would allow, would be to not issue a bench warrant, but rather adjourn the pretrial and maybe order a show cause. But it doesn't feel like a bench warrant case, if that makes sense.
Ms. McClure, anything you would like to address with respect to that issue?
Judge, I'm filling in on this case today for Mr. Sneed. The last note I have is that we had adjourned from November 1st to today for the defendant to come up with restitution for a misdemeanor plea. Other than that, I'm not seeing any failure to appears in the file. But I do still think a bench warrant would be necessary, especially if we're trying to get this victim restitution and this defendant isn't cooperating by coming to court.
Well, can I just respond, Judge? I mean, we don't.
Yeah, so I'm looking at the file. It doesn't appear that Mr. Tucker has had any previous failures to appear. We do have had a number of pre-trials. I'd also note that I issued an order for fingerprints back on November 1st, and we got that back on November 3rd. So it appears that oh, I'm sorry, no, we don't have the certificate for fingerprint. I do think in this case, I'm willing to give him an opportunity to voluntarily appear. I just don't have the sense that this is someone who's fleeing or absconding. So I'm going to set this for December 27th at 8:15. And if he does not appear a second time, we'll deal with that then. But otherwise, we'll see him on the 27th at 8:15.
Thank you, Honor. And I should just correct the record. I know Ms. Muir said that it was for a misdemeanor plea, but I in district court, in speaking with Mr. Fleming, we waived the exam for if the money's paid back, it will be not processed. So I just want to put that on record, and I can confirm with Mr. Fleming regarding that as well.
Looks like it's Mr. Sneed's case, so I would confirm with Mr. Sneed.
Chris was covering for Isaac that day.
Okay. Well, the last note in the file is the misdemeanor, so.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so that's what we will do with that one.
Thank you, Honor.
Oh, Mr. Dagger-Magosian, would you do a stip in order for that adjournment, please?
I will.
Thank you. Did I ask you to call for any?
Would you like?
Sean Dickerson. Mr. Murphy, we're calling for Sean Dickerson right now. Are you going to need a breakout session with him?
I will, Your Honor. And also, I don't know if I could speak with Ms. McClure in a breakout, or if she wants to just text me or whatever in regards to what I'd asked yesterday. I know she tried to call and I missed the phone call yesterday, but.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, Ms. McClure, are you there?
Yeah, I mean, I think you were asking me about bond reduction, and the only, I guess, thing I would say back is we've already reduced his bond once.
Well, I was asking if you would agree to no more jail if he enter the plea, remember?
You want me to put you in a breakout room for a minute?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong button.
Judge, I think you put me in with Mr. Murphy instead of Ms. McClure.
Yeah, I apologize.
That's
Sorry
okay.
about that.
Got it. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Dickerson, your attorney is speaking with the prosecuting attorney at the moment. As soon as they get back, we will address your case.
Yes, sir.
Never had his client.
I think he also has COVID. At least he appeared was in his last hearing. He's in jail.
Okay, Mr. Murphy, do you need to speak with Mr. Dickerson or are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, for a minute, please.
Okay, I have a Ms. Benton here. Can you let me know what case you're here for? All right, we are on the record in file 23-21424-FH, People versus Sean Davis Dickerson. We are here today for a pretrial conference in this matter, and we are proceeding today and by video conference. First, let me ask the attorneys to place their appearance on the record, beginning with Ms. McClure.
BB McClure, on behalf of the people.
Matthew Murphy, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dickerson.
Mr. Murphy, where do we stand with Mr. Dickerson's case today?
Yes, Your Honor, I do apologize for the short notice to Ms. McClure about this, but Mr. Dickerson does wish to enter a plea of guilty per an offer that was relayed by Ms. McClure for him to plead to possession of cocaine with no habitual supplements on that. So again, he does wish to plead guilty to that, and we would ask the court if we could address bond after the plea is entered.
All right. So it looks like we're going to need amended information for that.
All right, give me just a minute on that, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Dickerson, I'm going to put you back out in the waiting room until we have the paperwork that we need.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do apologize for not notifying Ms. McClure about that previous.